Alright, here we go again. So what are stocks? We got to cover what they are, and then we're going to get into actually trading them because um, I like to think of them as a regular thing, like a phone or a keyboard or a mouse, you know? So what you got to think of them as is a object and not a number on a piece of paper. Because if you're thinking about them as a number on a piece of paper, you're not fully understanding what a stock is. So if I buy 30,000 of these phones and I sell them for $200 markup, I would make how much profit? How much is this phone? So let's do some math. I got a calculator. This phone was 1,500. If I add 200 on it, it'd be 1,700. But if I go to 1,500 and then I do that time, wait, if I what's the math? I'm sorry. Basically, let's just say that you buy earpods and you sell them for $50 more than you sell them. Um, you buy them for $50 more and then you sell them for $50, you know? I don't think you're understanding what I'm saying. Basically, you got to think of it as a object that you can buy and sell, like Bang, um, headphones, everything, you know? So you just got to think of it as what is the value of that object at the time? How much do people need these phones, you know? So let's just say there is a massive shortage of Xbox controllers in China. That will cause the price of the Xbox controller to go up in value. Now, do you think if I had 3,000 of these things and I sold them, every single one of them, to China, it would make a big profit? Heck yeah, it would. I could sell them for 20% markup and it would grow. Alright? And that's where short term investing is. I mean, that's where long term investing is. They basically invest big in companies. So let's just say you like this company and you want to support it, and you also want and you're like, it's been going forever. It's very stable. They know what they're doing. Um, that's what they're gonna do, you know. So as you can see, you just got to think of it as like a natural thing. Stock has value. Now, a value of a stock moves faster and quicker than pretty much anything else on the market. Besides, um, besides maybe like some drugs, pharmaceuticals, um, yeah, it's probably the fastest thing ever to move. Because stocks, they have value, but that value is driven by people. So how is the value of stocks driven? It is valued by how many people are wanting it. So buyers and sellers, you know? So supply and demand. If there's more supply, that means that there's more sellers than buyers. That means that the price is going to go down because the value is worth less to everyone. But if there's more buyers than sellers, that the sellers can price their shares up higher and get a way better price for them. So yeah, that's how it basically is, you know. Um, Sorry if it kind of got quiet for a minute. I'll see. But yeah, that's basically the basics of a stock, and now we're going to cover how to trade them. I know that these are short little videos, but they should give you information to know if you want to learn how to trade within a week. Uh, so there's going to be little chapters I'm going through. So this is the first chapter, and then after that, you're going to practice the next day, and then go back the next day and watch the next chapter. All right? So thanks.